Today on CJ Classic, we're going to bring this F-250 to the 21st century with some LED headlights. The old original halogen headlights in older trucks, just like this F-250, are dull and yellow and you can hardly see with them. So today we're going to make our truck see a whole lot better with these LED headlights. These are Redline Lumtronix 7-inch headlights that come with a pair of H4 LED bulbs. They're going to help you retain that classic look while allowing you to see a whole lot better. They're going to be an easy plug-and-play install, and the LEDs are rated at 3000 lumens with a color temperature of 6500K, but the provided films will allow you to go warmer or cooler. For more information, fitment, and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. These headlights are pretty simple to swap out. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws that secure the headlight bezel. There's 2 more screws that secure the headlight ring. Then there's a 3rd one on the bottom. Once you get this one out, the headlight ring can come off. Pull out the headlight and remove the connector from the back of the housing. Give it a couple wiggles and it'll come right off. Grab your new Redline headlight. The bulb is already installed, and plug it into the connector. Shove the wiring back through the hole and line up the headlight with all the tabs. Make sure that this top label is obviously at the top. Reinstall one of the screws and then reinstall your retaining ring. Once the ring is on, tighten all the screws. And reinstall the bezel. Alright, this side's complete. Before we go to the other side, let's do a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, we have the LED on the left and the old halogen on the right. The LED is significantly brighter and it's a nice cool white. It looks a whole lot better than that old halogen. And we'll take a look at the high beams too. Way brighter, definitely an upgrade. Okay, so we got our Redline Lumtronix LED headlights installed in our 71 F-250. They're so much brighter than the factory headlights. They're definitely gonna let you see a whole lot better at night. Install is super easy. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'd say give yourself 15 or 20 minutes to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road. We hope you enjoyed this video. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the link right here, and for more videos like this one, click this playlist.